أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم. I am not belongs to any party and we do not collect funds from anyone. We run our expenses from own sources and business. I pray to Allah, please make useless whole world weapons because if there are no weapons, then all wars will get finished. Evil powers do not allow peaceful life to humans. I request to all countries, peoples, please check where your payments are in use because you peoples are paying too much taxes to government and your governments where they are spending this money. Whole world defense budget must use for humans food, education, medical and shelter, food, etc. and other betterment purposes. There is no jihad as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did jihad and he did too much efforts to secure lives of older peoples, children's, women's. But nowadays, big countries they are making atomic bombs. Atomic bombs kills everyone, no matter it is Islamic or non-Islamic. Because if you can see when America used atomic bombs on Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, so you can see children's, women's, older people's, everything got finished. So atomic bombs, if no matter if it's Islamic or not Islamic, it is not made for jihad. So in whole world you can see a lot of wars are going on. So if there are no weapons, then all wars in the world automatically will get finished. Please help me to promote my this message. I am just a simple Muslim as Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a simple Muslim. I do not belongs to any party. I do not belongs to any political party or movements. I am just belongs to Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.